Quantum here again. We've just finished up a mapping mission, and now we're going to take off to take a few oblique photos of the site. I'm going to show you a few settings you should change before you do this. We'll start here. We'll open this up. We'll go over to here, and we'll turn off dewarping. That will fix the distortion in your photos. Here, we'll change from shutter priority to the auto setting. That way the camera will automatically adjust. We'll go from manual focus to AFC, autofocus continuous, so it will continually adjust the focus so it's best for that photo. Now we've taken off, I can show you how to switch between the wide angle and the zoom camera. On the left side of the screen, we'll touch the zoom button. That will switch us to the zoom camera. And we can use the controls on the right to zoom in up to 7x with our optical zoom. Then we can continue with our digital zoom up to a 56x. To switch back to the wide angle camera, we just touch wide, and now we're back to the best camera for just general photos and pictures around a job site.